Let me see what this hype is about the Grinch Meal. Don't mind the dog in the background. That's the dog in the hallway. You know what I'm saying? Barking, barking, barking. But anyway, back to the meal. The Grinch Meal from McDonald's. I mean, I want to see what this is all about. I haven't eaten McDonald's in a while like that, so let's see what this Grinch Meal is all about. I want that free socks. You know what I'm saying? I want to see what kind of socks I'm getting. But right now, let me see what I got inside. Oh my gosh. I got me some chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Got the French fries. Okay. What else we got? Got the chicken nuggets. Crack that open. Okay. Chicken nuggets. 10-piece. Got the French fries falling out the box. Like I said, I don't eat this all the time, so there'll be all in the comments to me about what foods I should be eating or not eating. Like I said, I just wanted to see what it's about. I'm just doing a little food review for the Grinch Meal. I mean, nice box. You know what I'm saying? It's all about marketing. So, that's what it's about. If you got a product or service, you know what I'm saying, and you trying to get the people interested in it, different marketing campaigns that help. You got a shaker, you put the fries in there, and you shake it. You got instructions in the back. It says pour the fries in there. It says sprinkle some of the dill pickle salt on it. And what else you got? It says roll the bag up, and then it says shake it. So that's what the fries. You got the sauce. What's this right here? Oh, honey mustard. You know? You got the mystery socks. Got the mystery socks. Okay. From the Grinch Meal. I'll be doing another video when I open up the socks. But right now I'm about to eat. I'm grateful, you know what I'm saying? Yep, I'm grateful to be able to have the Grinch Meal. I'm grateful for today. I'm grateful for y'all watching. You know, like I said, 10-piece chicken meal. Oh, hold on. I also got the chicken sandwich. Oh my gosh. So, let's see what that's about. It's an egg McMuffin wrapper on a chicken sandwich. Oh boy. Here's the chicken sandwich. I mean, I usually get nothing on it, so I'm probably throw some honey mustard on it and bust that down, but that's what it is, man. So if you ate McDonald's, check out the Grinch Meal, you know, and let me know in the comment section what kind of socks did you get when you open up the sock bag. Alright, you have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and just keep on living your life, man. Shout out to all the content creators out there, all the foodies, everybody that's doing content. Keep on creating. Thank you so much.